This day, Lily was trying to chase Addy, and Lily was also gonna zip line, and I also showed her my chicks, and Mama was waiting. And I also showed my chicks to Lily, and we were feeding rabbit, grass, and I was also doing it again, and I was swimming again, and the Aya was trying out, and Lily did her first try, and I was running, and Lily was walking, and Addy was walking, and I was doing it again. And okay, so I just fell off because Addy pushed me, and then we zip line. Addy was there first, and that was Lily, and that was me. I was having so fun. I felt good. It was so windy. And Lily and a rooster and Addy and me. And Lily was so cute. And that's my umbrella. And we were swimming in the pool. Swimming all day. Swimming, and until we swim, and set up our camping tent. It got there. The rainbow also showed, and we set up our camp finally. And Lily was that, and we were fighting who get the marshmallow, and that's Lily, and that's our camp. And we were looking in the phone, and I was there, and that's me taking marshmallows, and that's me playing, and that's Lily, and Lily was eating dinner, and we were eating dinner. And then we went to our camps, and we were sleeping, and I was playing my tablet and walking through the woods, and we were eating marshmallow. It was raining, so we didn't camp. Oh, so I walked